Hey everyone, welcome back to our Shopify tutorial series. In the previous video, we explored the structure of Shopify theme and got an introduction to Shopify Liquid. Today, we are taking our next step, and in this tutorial, we will dive into creating our own custom section. So grab your coding gears and let's jump right in. Let's head over to Shopify admin and go to Shopify code editor. Sections are liquid files that allow you to create reusable modules of code which merchants can edit, and you can add blocks in your sections, and you can allow merchants to add or remove blocks within a section and reorder content within a section with the help of blocks. So let's close these folders and go to the sections folder and then create a new section. We will be creating a .liquid section. .json will create a section group. Let me show you a section group here. All these are section. This header group.json, this is a section group, and in this JSON file other sections like announcement bar and header are added. So let's create a liquid section custom section.liquid. Here is our basic section ready. This schema tag contains settings and blocks. Let me show you that in the customizer where it goes. Here you can see this image banner, this featured collection. Here you can see is a section. When I click on it, these are the settings opened related to this section, and these settings are written inside the schema tag. In Shopify, Shopify Liquid to be precise, when we use two curly braces like these, then we can load dynamic content here. Like we can write a variable here, or we output dynamic content such as the featured product title, product image, things like that. And when we use a curly brace and a percentage symbol, we can write our logic inside it, like if, else, things like that. We will explain these things in our Shopify Liquid video. And here, this is the section file. You can just write HTML like normal here. I'm writing h1 tag. You can write HTML like this. This would be h1. This as well. And you can write styles by writing the style tag. You can see you can write any styles here. Similarly, you can write any script here using the script tag. This is same like HTML, and this schema tag, this will contain the settings and blocks and things like that. Now we want to list our section in the store. Like when we click on add section, we want to show our section here. For this, we need to put something in our code that's preset. Let me enclose this in square brackets, quotation marks, sorry for that. And then this preset is an array. And in the object, we write the property name, and let's name our section as my first section. This one is the name that will appear in the list, and this one appear in the customizer. Save. So preset is not a valid attribute, so it's presets. Let's refresh the customizer. Let's now click on add section, and this is there. Here it is, my first section. Let's click on it. Here you can see, hello, this is my first section. It's here. This is the name of the section up here. When I click on here, there are no settings here because I have not included anything in these settings. Let me just grab some dummy data and put it here. I have made a text field for this one, and input type text, and ID as title, and label as slideshow. Let's save this and check our, let's save this as well and refresh our page. When I click on this, here you can see the text appeared, the input field appears here. Similarly, we can add blocks here. Let me add a block as well. This is the setting array. Then we can make blocks array as well, and this blocks array will contain objects of blocks. Let me grab some dummy data and put in the blocks array as well. I have added a simple block with the name slide and type slide, and these are the settings related to this block. And let me show you how blocks work here. Let's refresh the page. Click on this custom section. Here you can do this, and we can add a slide. This is like add a block, as we have named our block as slide, so it's showing it as slide. So we have added this block. This is, I made the setting as image picker inside this block setting. Here you can see this is the block setting. So now you know how we make these settings. We need an ID, we need a text, we need a type, and then we need a label. And similarly for block, we need name, type, and then settings related to that block. After we learn our Shopify Liquid concepts, I will show you how we can access these settings and show the data here. So now let's go to the snippets and make a snippet and use that snippet in our section. And here it is, create a new snippet. Let's create as dev b. Okay, let's write something here. Let's save the snippet and use it in our custom section. So to use it, we need curly brace and the percentage mark, and then we write render, and then quotation marks, and then we paste the name of the snippet. We save the section file. Let's refresh the page. Here you can see the snippets data is there. And there you have it all. In this tutorial, we created a custom section and we created some settings for this section. We added this section to the theme customizer, and then we created a snippet and added that into our section. In the next video, I will explain a little bit about templates, and I will show you how we can create a template. I will create a product template, and I will show you how we can assign different templates to different products. So stay tuned for the next video. And if you have any question or want me to cover specific topics in my future videos, don't shy, just write a comment, and happy coding. See you in the next video. Take care.